How to not plateau with your school community. Currently working 24K a month and we're trying to scale, which is going well. And I mapped out everything that we do essentially, kind of like the high level overview, which is ads, the about page, the offer, the trial conversion. And it's like there's multiple things on here, right? Just like the onboarding video, onboarding sequence, classroom page, booked call sequence. And in this way, because it's all mapped out, I can actually understand what the hell is happening, where and when and why, and how it's happening. Because then I can optimize for it, right? And then the green, like the coloring system, is essentially red. Like it's not good enough for the time period. So for games, this is like not done. But the banner is like perfectly fine. Now I can forget about it. I love this stuff. Like this is basically all done. But I can only know that if I know that it exists and it's like in front of me, and then I can clearly optimize, right? So go through your entire school, figure out what the traffic sources are, figure out how the conversion works, and just break it down into components that are actually controllable that you can change.